This video may contain minor bouts of violence, dirty language, and many shenanigans. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, people? Good morning to ya. Top of the morning to ya, lad. I am just getting my lazy butt out of bed, or yeah, call that bed, the hammock. Yeah. Good night, good spot, man. Nice, cool cross breeze coming through here all night long. I'm digging it. And there's the old river. Getting ready to eat me some breakfast, and there's me kayak. There's me kayak. Take me far. Yeah, I'm getting ready to eat me some breakfast, break down camp, and hit the river. Like I said, I was going to make this a 3-day, but I lost my fishing pole, and I'm only about 8 miles out, and this river moves fast, so I'll probably knock out that 8 miles in 2.5 hours, if that. So, guess we're calling it a 2-day trip, 2-day and 1-night trip. But yeah, I'm having a blast. Excuse them all. I missed the forest, man. I missed it badly. Come to find out, I'm on an island. This is an island. There's a creek that runs right back behind there. I don't know if you can see that water off in the distance over there. This is my spot for the evening. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. Check this out, people. This place is beautiful. I love the Missouri Scenic Riverways. The Ozarks. It's my stomping grounds. If y'all never been, you should check it out. One of the most beautiful places to float in the world, I think. Haven't been around the world, so I really wouldn't know. But damn if it ain't beautiful. It's relaxing too. You don't have to worry about class 5 rapids, flipping your boat, stuff like that. I think the biggest rapid is maybe a class 2, class 3. It's nice. You meet all kinds of characters out here too. All kinds of folks. I don't know if y'all like staring at my ugly mug, but that's why I like showing y'all the scenery instead. I can talk to you still. I figured you'd rather see the beautiful river instead of my face yakking. Yakety yacker. Prepare to be parted. Tearing them up?
How you doing, buddy? Yeah, we caught a couple.
I saw you throw one back just now.
Yeah, well, a little one.
Yeah.
We caught a couple people.
Nice.
We'll bet you one again next year.
See, there you go. Check this out, guys. Look at these big boulders. Sticking right up out of the water. Beautiful. It's beautiful. This must have been the campsite that a guy back yesterday was talking about. It was only a half an hour. Definitely longer than a half an hour. Man, it's gorgeous. I wish I would have stayed here last night. Oh, my campsite was pretty badass too. Pretty nice. I think I might jump in here and take me a dip. I'm gonna turn Turtles. We got turtles. We got turtles. Let's look at them. Let's look. Let's get a look-see at the turtle. You want to see a turtle? He is no ninja turtle. He's a turtle. See him? Okay, let's go say hi. See if he'll let us. Check him. You see him on that log right there, people? See if he'll let me get real close. He will, too. You ain't shy, are you? You ain't gotta run, man. I ain't here to hurt you. Oh, there he goes. It's like, damn you hours comfortable. I love it out here. Yep, I think I'm gonna stop here and take a swim. Looks like a beautiful spot. Check that. What cave? Those bats? No, they're birds. Looked like bats for a second. Stop right here on this little beach. If I can get out of this eddy. Eddie! No, it's not Frank. It's fucking Eddie. It's freaking Eddie. That's not Frank. It's freaking Eddie. Bam! Let's do that. Alright, let's go check this water over here. Go check this water. There's a cave in there. Check out that cave. It's like barn swallows. What's up, guys? Go get a close up. Check it. This little cave up in here. There's some droplets. And he's pulling me. This is pretty awesome. Look at this. These trees are surviving this river, and when it rains out here, this river rages. So all these creeks and springs, they empty right into here at full force. But these trees are surviving it. They're making it. Life will prevail. There's a snake on that over there, I think. There is definitely a snake. Let's go check him out. Go look at Mr. Snaky Poo. Right up there on that log. Ooh, he's a big one too. I don't know if you can see him. He's right out on that tree. Big old frickin' moccasin. Just out here sunbasking. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. I'm not going over to that tree. Water moccasins are definitely poisonous. And that is a big one. That's one thing you gotta watch out about in these trees. These overhanging trees on the river, there are snakes in them. And I've had a snake drop down right into my damn boat before about crap my pants and... Ooh, cave. Cave! Must see the cave. See it over there? Oh, we gotta get a closer view, don't you worry. Don't you worry about that. Take a peek. Take a look-see. Oi, oi laddie. I'm taking a wee look-see at the cave over here. Maybe there's a cave creature living inside. It's a sea serpent. Oi. That's pretty cool though. Not very deep though. Let's go ahead and head this way. Yeah, I can get through that. Ain't much of a cave. It's a little one. You can see those pockets spotted all over the riverways here. There's quite a few different rivers you can float down here. So you've got, this one is the current. You've got the Merrimack, which me and McStudley used to go on all the time because he lives on the Merrimack. You've got Jack's Fork, the 11 Point River. You've got, what else? The Black River, the Big River. All these are floatable. Not year round, so look into the water levels before you decide to come out. But they're all floatable. They're all beautiful, crystal clear water. Big River, not so much. It's kind of muddy. But they all definitely have their beauty. Alright, people, battery's going dead. Gotta go. Yet another nice bluff here, people. Yeah, this river isn't sparing scenery, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm about a mile out from my pickup point. This river's fast. It averages about 4.5 miles an hour. In some places you get going like 6-7 miles an hour in some areas. So that's what's up though. I will hit you guys back whenever I get to my ending point. Alright people. Finally made it. It's about another 1/4 mile down. Beautiful river. I love it. Current River. Just outside of Eminence, Missouri. You can do the jack. I noodled it. I noodled the hell out of it, guys. But it works. Got me all the way here for about a 2-hour drive, so. But alright people, I need to pack this thing up and get headed to the homestead. I will holler at y'all in a little while. Peace.